moved to Shanghai in 2008 and fell in love with an Englishman. I should have known that that meant that I'd be dragged to soccer games, football, all across the world. And that's exactly what we're doing tonight. We're watching Shanghai Port play Chengdu Rongcheng, and it's the first football game that we've ever seen in China. We have no idea what to expect. And we're taking you along with us. Is this beer?
I think so.
But before we got here to the stadium in Pudong, we wanted to check out what the pre-game atmosphere was like, so let's rewind just a couple of hours. By the way, in case you're new here, I'm Steph, and I met my husband Pete in Shanghai in 2008. Now we live in Chiang Mai, Thailand. We travel a lot with our 5-year-old son Hayes, and we are wrapping up a 1-month trip all across China, finishing in Shanghai, back where it all started. If this is your first time finding us, we'll have posted a lot of videos from our travels in China before this one, and we have a couple more coming up. So subscribe if you like what you see. Sorry for interrupting. Back to the video. Oh, I see beer with a straw. My kind of soccer game. They say don't pick the first place you see, but the first place we see looks perfect.
This looks great. Okay, how to order though? I mean, that's probably going to be, look at all the scarves and stuff in here. Oh, this is very exciting. I love like I don't know, unofficial club restaurant / bar.
Okay, this appears to be the place to be. It's like buffet style. Don't really know what I'm doing, but Pete's holding a great table outside, and I'm gonna try to get us some grub. Okay, how did I do? I'm hoping that this is beer. I'm not totally sure. I don't think I was supposed to do that. I don't know.
Well done. Good work.
Ganbei.
Ganbei. Look at this feast you got us.
Well, that's the special drink of the day, you know.
How much was it all?
I think it was like 78. So dinner and 2 beers. What's that, like 10 bucks?
It's not bad, eh? And pre-match atmosphere. There's a bunch of, I want to say, Laowai behind us, and they're listening to a lot of English music, which I'm appreciating.
Did they bring their own speaker?
Yeah, they brought their own speaker. They're just like, it's great. This is good pre-match vibes. Excuse me, quick. Can you buy beer inside? No. Do they serve it? They don't. Oh, okay.
So your best shot is getting they have like this plastic glasses here.
And
you
take
pull one
it
out
and take that
and you
with.
just pretend you don't understand anything they say.
And just walk in
Just
with
walk
it.
in. Then
Very
9 out
good.
of 10 times they let you go.
Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm buying a couple of beers. We were chatting to the guys outside, a nice Dutch fellow, and I asked him, do they serve beer in the stadium? And he said no. He said best to go back inside, buy a beer, decant it into a plastic cup, which I'm doing now. Okay, and then take that with you. And he said 9 out of 10 times they let you in with it.
What is 9 ounces of straw?
I'll probably drink this by the time we get there.
Duolingo always wants me to know how to say scarf, and I'm like, why would I ever say scarf? 围巾没有，没有，谢谢。
你们刚刚过来的时候还有，你们走了一圈回来没有了。
那一个多少钱
对，一个
？30。
30。对，2个的话50。
3个
3个75。 Yes.
So 75,
Yes.
30 for 1, which would be 90 for 3. She's saying 75. 50. 3个50。
能买我
谢谢。
加10块好吗？10块。
10块。
加10块。65，好不好
65 60 60
？3个。
60 Oh, 3个 yeah, okay. So 20 each.
只有3个了。
I don't know if that's good.
只有3个。
I don't know. How did I do?
Excuse me.
How do you like your new Wei Jin?
It's just like, I love this so much, I do. And get to do it with my family is like even better.
This stadium was built in 2020. It seats 37,000 people, and we needed some help getting tickets. You have to have a Chinese phone number. And so somebody at the hotel helped us. And actually there weren't that many available. Our tickets were 140 each, so like 20 bucks, which felt expensive, but this is like a major city. And I think there's a lot of investment in soccer here. So when you compare it to what, like England and America, that's a great price, right? Yeah, give me that smuggled beer.
Yeah, there you go. Well done. Hey, I did a good job of getting that in, didn't I? couple of helpful points for you. The stadium is in a little bit of the suburbs of Pudong. We're staying in Puxi, so it took us about 40 minutes to 50 minutes to get here by taxi. You can take the subway out here, that's another option, but it is a little bit further out. So just note that.
Also, if you get help buying a ticket, note maybe it says where your gate entrance is, because we had to try like 4 and walk halfway around the stadium. Also, you need to bring your passports, which, yeah.
Also, we got, if you notice, we got these cool scarves on the street back there.
You do need your passports. A photo probably would work, but don't risk it. I don't love carrying mine around when I'm drinking beer and it's dark outside, but here we are. This is kind of what happened to us 6 times before, is you try one line, there's always one person that can check passports. It's not a big deal. Usually it's all the way to the left or all the way to the right.
So they're obviously like checking our tickets again. Like we've just literally had these checked, so I'm not quite sure why there's another check for tickets, but anyway, that's where we're at. We'll go with
Imagine
the flow.
this 8 times over, and that's what we just did before we started filming. Made it. It's not as busy as it looks like it would be.
No, I mean, when we were looking at the tickets earlier, I mean, it looked like so many of the sections were sold out. I mean, maybe, I don't know, it's like 10 minutes before kickoff, so maybe it'll fill up, but this like home support section looks
They
incredible.
do check your ticket like 14,000 times, so we've gone to other games where you could like wander around. I don't know if we'll be able to get down there, but we're gonna try.
Oh yeah. And but like just the stadium though is super nice. Like this is such a great place, and it's like the site. I mean, we're pretty high up here at the top of the stadium, but you can have it's a brilliant view. So love it.
What do you think, Hayes?
I want to go to the very top.
Don't worry, I'm not doing a bathroom tour, but we're about 20 minutes into the game, which is when I tend to get bored. And I did have to go to the bathroom because I successfully smuggled that beer in through security and a bag check. Anyway, I thought it was worth popping on here because I was delaying going to the bathroom because I thought I would have to wander through the concourse, but there's actually a men's and women's bathroom like right here in our section. So like 2-3 stalls, but per section, instead of having to walk halfway around a concourse to find a bathroom. The security is very intense, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to get closer to the supporters. Have a look when I walk through. Behind me? While I was gone, Chengdu scored their 2nd goal, so it's 2-0, 24th minute. Filming a soccer video, we should let you know that the score is now 1-2 Shanghai Chengdu in the 34th minute.
This is actually a really fun age to be taking Hayes to a game because I'm a huge football fan. And I
think this is the craziest tackle I've ever seen.
Tackle?
Tackle, yeah, I know that. And do you know what happened? The red team jumped and then hugged the white team. It was like crazy. And then another crazy fact is it rolled, the red team rolled, and the white team was like standing there, and that's moving on again.
So I was saying, this is a great age to be taking him because I'm a huge football fan. I'm really not trying to like push that on him. It's like if he wants to, if he enjoys it, great. But like whatever. But it's just really great. He's asking so many good questions about the game, which is cool. He's like more into it than he has been when we've been in the past. So I'm just loving this from just a dad-son moment, which is great.
A few moments later.
If you want an update on concessions, well, the last major sporting events we've attended have been Thailand and Korea. And I'm sorry to say the China ones leave a little bit to be desired. There's like flat well, I don't know if it's flat. There's pre-poured cola without ice and chips for 15 kwai, which is about $2. The cool thing in Korea is they have like convenience stores and they're all the same price and everything's greatly priced. So I'll deduct points for that. But the stadium's by far the nicest I've been in. Remarking that, like at tourist attractions and stuff, and in general, the police presence was like less than we imagined, and I think it's because they're all at this football game.
I know. It's a lot. It's a lot of the police, but
I'm clueless. So like, if you know something about Chinese football games, like, does it get rowdy? Obviously, there's no beer, and there's literally more police presence than we've seen anywhere in China. Also, it's halftime. Still 1-2, Shanghai, Chengdu.
In case it wasn't obvious, we've lost one of the team. He's very tired and he's fallen asleep. So, not sure we're going to make it. Not sure we're going to make it till the end of the game, but this is so great. This atmosphere is like even better when you're closer to it. I mean, I was just saying to Steph, if we lived in Shanghai, I'm a season ticket holder. I'm coming every week.
okay. I wouldn't condone this because I don't love leaving games early, but we've got one very tired little boy here, so. And also we have an incredible food tour tomorrow morning, like early morning, so we got to get back for that.
That'll be the next video.
But that was so fun. If you're coming to Shanghai, if you live in Shanghai, come and see a Shanghai Port FC game because it's incredible. The atmosphere is awesome. All right, let's go.
And if you want more in-depth football videos.
Oh, yeah. I need to give a shout out to my good friend Andrew, Because Football on YouTube. Check it out. He goes around the world watching lots of football matches. Andrew, you need to come to China and come and do a series here. Invite me, because I'll come with you.
By the way, this video is not over. We want to show you where we are staying. It's a new part of Shanghai for us, and it's overlooking Shanghai's biggest park. How we lived here for 2 years and didn't visit Shanghai's biggest park, I have no idea, but we will be visiting tomorrow. Good afternoon. Since you last saw us, we have been on a fantastic breakfast food tour of Shanghai, but that will be our next video. For right now, I wanted to tell you a little bit about where we have been staying right along this beautiful Changfeng Park, which we've come out to explore, but probably not for long because it's just started to rain. We are staying at the Hualux Changfeng Park, which opened in 2022. Hualux is a premium brand launched within IHG back in, I think, 2014, primarily for Chinese travelers, known for emphasizing cultural authenticity. But this is the second one we've stayed in. The other was in Xi'an, and we have enjoyed both of them because they are so full of character. Our hotel is very sleek and modern, and the design reflects the river. I think that's the theme, so there's like a lot of curved walls, things like this. And our room is very bright and spacious, but I will let Pete show you the whole thing if you stick around to the end of the video for the full room tour. We weren't previously familiar with this area, but this park is very peaceful, and it's still very well connected to the rest of the city. You're steps away from Metro Line 15 or a short taxi ride into the center of Shanghai. Okay, the rain is starting to pick up, so I think we maybe need to make a new plan. That will be it from us in this video. I hope you enjoyed the soccer. And now over to Pete for the full room tour. And thank you to the team at Hualux for a lovely stay.
Let me show you around our room here. First, we've got our little bench, take our shoes off area, and then you got nice storage for our bags, a couple of hangers, very nice. Here is a lovely couch, table, chair, coffee station. What did I mess up on?
When you say we have this, you have this, you shouldn't say yours. Remember, you're saying that to the camera. The people that are thinking, watching that, you do that on every video, but I don't because think about it. Do they have a shoe place the same shoe place? Do they? How do you know?
I don't. Huge double bed. This has been a consistent theme of high HG properties, is that they all have massive beds. I love it. Extra bed for Hayes, and then this is the lake view room that they have, and this is brilliant view, and it's very nice at night as well when it's all lit up. Another little workstation option here. Beautiful, clean, fresh, light bathroom as well. Bathtub overlooking the view, and you've got a nice, massive shower. Some clothes drying, and I'll pass it over to Hayes.
If you notice there, we have these, like, waging, and because we went to the soccer game last night.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We actually have 2 more videos left of our China series, so check those out. Bye bye.
Got a whole bunch before this one.
Oh yeah, there's tons before.